Good morning and welcome back to Paracosm. So right now I am in 7-Eleven. It's been an interesting morning. The lock on my locker got stuck. If you remember a couple of vlogs back ago in Koh Phangan, I lost my lock. Well, Luke ended up giving me extra one that he had, and then this morning I realized that it was stuck and it would not come undone, and my passport and wallet, debit card, all that were locked in my locker. So I just came to 7-Eleven to pick up a new lock. Right now I'm hanging out at the lobby in our hostel waiting for a friend from a tour company here in Chiang Mai to come pick me up. I'm going to a meeting today to discuss a project I'm going to be doing for them on Saturday. I'm going to be doing some video work, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to go find out what all that entails. Just got done with my meeting. There's some very cool stuff that's planned for the near future. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. But for now, my friend from the tour company just dropped me off here at this waterfall that I was looking at going to. So I'm hiking back up the area now to go find this little waterfall. It's not supposed to be too big and it's dry season right now, but should be pretty cool either way. Now it's time to hike back down to the bottom of the hill. When I was up on that cliff edge up at the top, I dropped one of my tripod legs off of the cliff edge when I was trying to set it up to take a picture. So I'm currently hiking down to below where that cliff edge was to see if I can go find that tripod leg. Right up here is that cliff that I was sitting on earlier. So going down here to find the leg to my tripod, and I have successfully recovered the tripod leg. Whoop whoop. See you at the bottom. Got a little wet there. Just picked up a fresh mango and some chili salt for after the hike, get a nice little reboost of energy. Now I'm gonna have to find a taxi or something back into town. Hitchhiking! Woo-hoo! So I just hitchhiked from the top of the hill down into town, at least, where I could catch a cheaper taxi. They were trying to charge me way too much up at the top of the hill. First person I stuck my thumb out to picked me up, so shout out to you, buddy. Thank you. Just hopped in the back of this little shuttle taxi. It's kind of like a bus. They stop and pick random people up, so I'll be in the back of here with a bunch of people. But note to why you always barter with the taxi drivers. At the top of the hill, the guy was trying to charge me 100 baht, and then I came to the bottom of the hill and this guy only said 30. So big price difference. In US dollars, it's not a whole lot, but the hostel I'm staying at tonight is only 100 baht, so it's almost a whole nother night at the hostel. I just saved. Just got back to the hostel, so I'll give you a quick tour of where I'm staying at in Chiang Mai. This is the downstairs when you walk inside. There's a bunch of tour places where you can do like elephant trekking, cooking class, whitewater rafting, different jungle safaris. So that's pretty cool. Right here is the free coffee and tea bar. Then you come up the stairs, and the hostel is 100 baht per night, which is about $3 US. So at the top of the stairs, you have a nice little chilling and lounge area. Got some cool art all over the walls here. That's one of the things I like. And come up the stairs here. There's 4 floors total in this hostel. So right here you have the bathroom. One of the bathrooms on the floor. This is the only shower that is on our floor. In my room, got like 6 bunk beds in here. And then my bunk is on the bottom right here. And then see you on the roof real quick. So up here, they have like a little smoking area and rooftop lounge where you can chill out at and hang out, which is pretty cool.